Hello guys, let's unbox the new Wi-Fi. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to Ryuking TV Japan. So for today's video is about our new Wi-Fi. Kasi nasira na yung namin Wi-Fi. So bumili kami ng bago, new Wi-Fi. Ewan ko ba't nasira yun. Mahina na daw siyang mag-connect. So kaya pinalitan na siya. So ayan yung pinalit sa kanya ay si Buffalo Wi-Fi. Buffalo Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi daw. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi certified. So nakalagay dyan is number 1. Hambay Daisu number 1. Bestseller. Bestseller daw siya. So ganyan yung niya. So samahan niyo ako mag-unbox sa kanya. Okay, Wi-Fi. So yan yung nakalagay. Ako hindi ko siya masyadong maintindihan. Kayo na lang umintindi.
Wi-Fi certified.
Kayo na lang umintindi.
Wi-Fi 6.
Yori
Faster,
Hayako.
Faster Wi-Fi.
Yori Toko Hayako.
Ayan siya.
Mabilis daw.
So,
Faster.
pwede daw gumamit dito yung
And slim.
21.
Then maganda daw siya. Licensed. So,
yung Wi-Fi natin.
iyan na. Umpisa na natin.
Siya. Saan ba yun? Dito kaya yun? So, nakasealed pa siya.
Buffalo Wi-Fi 6AX4 is a wireless router manufactured by Buffalo Incorporated, a global provider of networking and storage solutions. The AX4 is part of the Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax standard, which is the latest generation of Wi-Fi technology, offering faster speeds, increased capacity, and improved performance compared to previous Wi-Fi standards. Some key features of Buffalo Wi-Fi 6AX4 include Wi-Fi 6 technology. The AX4 supports the Wi-Fi 6 standard, which provides faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity for multiple devices to connect simultaneously, making it ideal for high bandwidth activities such as online gaming, 4K streaming, and large file transfers. Dual band connectivity. The AX4 operates on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands, allowing for greater flexibility in connecting to different devices with varying Wi-Fi capabilities. The 2.4 GHz band offers better coverage and is suitable for devices with lower bandwidth requirements, while the 5 GHz band provides faster speeds and is ideal for devices that require higher bandwidth, such as gaming consoles and smart TVs. 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports. The AX4 comes with 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing for wired connections to devices such as gaming consoles, PCs, and smart TVs for faster and more stable data transfer. Advanced security features. The AX4 supports various security features, including WPA3 encryption, which provides enhanced protection for your wireless network, and a built-in firewall to help safeguard your network from potential cyber threats. Easy setup and management. The AX4 comes with an easy-to-use web-based interface for setup and management, allowing you to customize your network settings, set up guest networks, and manage connected devices. Overall, the Buffalo Wi-Fi 6AX4 router offers advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, dual-band connectivity, Gigabit Ethernet ports, advanced security features, and easy setup and management, making it a reliable choice for high-performance wireless networking. However, it's always recommended to check the specific specifications and features of the product from the manufacturer's official website or documentation for accurate and up-to-date information.